Hey guys, so today I thought I would film another moving vlog. This is number 3. This is This is number 3, so yeah, welcome to the vlog. I am just gonna film some stuff today because I'm currently in the new house because I'm waiting for a delivery. So this is like the first thing that's gonna arrive in this house. So I've got to be here to like let it in, but I'm currently just sat in an empty house with nothing to do. So I thought I may as well vlog and chat to you guys, and then I can also show you the very exciting delivery because it's something that we didn't have in our last house. I thought someone was coming to the door. They're not. It was something we didn't have in our last place, but this time we have space to have it here. So I'm really excited for it to arrive, and it's going to be the first thing to fill up the room. But yeah, today I'm just sort of waiting for that. I thought I would like, whilst I'm here, show you guys like our plans for the house and answer some of your questions, because a lot of you were like, where's the fridge? Where's this? Where's that gonna go? And I thought I'd just answer some questions and show you guys like our plans for what we might do a little bit. What else? Oh, I have some floor samples that I want you guys to help me choose. Oh, and then I'm gonna go back to where we are currently living in our other house because we haven't actually moved out yet. We're not moving until this weekend. So the next vlog will be official moving day vlog, which is really exciting. But yeah, we're still living in our rented place, so I'm gonna go back there and do some packing. At the moment, the living room is just filled with cardboard boxes, but yeah, that's got to be done. I think that's it. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. Let's go. So we have our first moving cards, and look how cute this one is. This is from my mum and dad. This is from like the people who built the houses, and this is from my brother. And I only just noticed it has A&S on our clothes. It's like a personalised card. Okay, so this is what my brother wrote. It says, to Sophie and Alex, enjoy your new house. Can't wait to take a in your toilet. Worst poo ever, with a picture of a steaming turd. Lots of love, Jonathan. You can tell he's my brother. I'll try and get him in the next vlog because on our actual moving day, he's gonna come and help. So I'll try and get him in the vlog because he hasn't been on my channel in so long. I'm gonna definitely get him in the vlog. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys these flooring samples and see what you think. I need to go somewhere that's less echoey. I think I'll go back in the hallway. These are the flooring samples, and let me just show you what we've got. So basically, this is the one that they put in because they said they give us a free floor. Let me just shut it again. Yeah, so basically the people that built these houses said that they would do our flooring for free, but we had to pick from like their selection of floors, and that was the only one that actually looked quite nice in the sample. But then once it was actually fitted, I was just a bit like, it looked like a much lighter brown in the swatch. I mean, I don't hate it, it's growing on me, but I don't love it, and I know one day I will really want to change the floor. Probably not for quite a while, but I just thought I'd get some samples anyway. So I'm going to show you guys and you can pick your fave. Okay, so this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Comment down below your favourite floor. I'm thinking number 3 because that's like the sort of floor that was in our, is still there. That is in our rented place, and I just love it. I love grey, as you can see. Ooh, bit of fluff. I just think having this as grey would just look so much nicer. So I think I've already kind of chosen this one. Plus, this is cheaper because it's, oh god, it's stuck. This is cheaper because it's a laminate floor, whereas these are real wood, which means they're a little bit more expensive. But I wanted to get some real wood ones just to sort of see if they look any better quality. I don't think they do. I don't think you can tell the difference that that is laminate and that is real wood. I think this is my fave. I think Alex said this was his fave as well. So I'm gonna hold on to this, and hopefully one day we might be able to change the floor, but still let me know which one you like the best. 1, 2, 3. So I think one of the most common questions that I've had since I uploaded the other videos is, why have you bought a house that looks exactly the same as the other one? And it's because we really loved the other one, like we absolutely loved it, but we just couldn't buy it, and we were now in a position to buy a house. So obviously we're going to buy one that's similar to the rented one because we really loved it. And also it is like a bigger version of it. Obviously you've got the extra floor and the extra rooms. What else? There was another really common question. Where's your fridge? Okay, so basically because it's like a new build, they don't tend to come with all of the appliances. Like it's come with an oven, it's got like the bathroom stuff, but you don't tend to get a free fridge freezer. Like that'd be pretty cool, but you don't. So I've had to buy that myself. And for everyone wondering where it's gonna go, so this is the cupboard that's designed for the fridge and the freezer to go in. However, I think we're gonna shelve that out into like a little kind of, is it called a pantry? And what I've done is I've actually bought I think they're called American style fridge freezers. It's basically like a big double door one, and it's got a little ice thingy on it where you can like, do you know what I mean? You can fill up your drink from a little dispenser and ice cubes come out. I've wanted one of them forever and I finally got one, so we're just gonna put that here. Oh yeah, a lot of people were saying we should put like a dining table here, but I think the dining table will go better in the living room just to fill up some space. But what I might do here, and someone did say that, is get like a little circle table, kind of like a one you'd see in a cafe, and get some like tall chairs. Do you know what I mean? Plans for in here. So we're still gonna have the sofa over here, I think, and then the dining table here. And I really want to get like either a big print or a really big mirror to go, oh, we're blurry. Do you know why? It's because it's so white in here, the camera has nothing to focus on. Once we start having things in the house, it will have something to focus on, so I think the quality will be a bit better. But yeah, I'm thinking like a big mirror. And then I've got my eye on this massive clock. Oh, for God's sake. What are you doing? Basically, I've got my eye on a big clock. Clock, not cock. So I might put that there. And then TV and stuff will be over here. I don't know where I'm going to put my old ladder shelf. He's got to go in here somewhere. I don't really have any plans for Alex's little music room. I'm just sort of going to leave that to him. He can do what he wants with that room, so we'll ignore that one. But this is going to be obviously my office filming room, and I don't really know. I would love to get like a big built-in desk along here because it's quite a big space there to have like a big desk instead of a tiny one. So I might do that, and then I think I might put my background over there. So the spare room is basically going to have all of the stuff from our other bedroom in it. So the bedroom we have now is going to become this room because I've bought new stuff for our bedroom. And then up again. I'm out of breath. I think it's all the talking. Oh no, we do have something. Oh, I forgot about you. I said there was nothing in the house yet. I do have a friend right now, me and my mattress. Yeah, my mum and dad kindly bought us a new mattress, so they dropped that off here and it's been inflating gradually. Yeah, that's in here. And then obviously we're gonna have a bed there. I've bought a new bed. I'm so excited because it's like a fabric bed and I've always wanted one of them. I think I'll probably get a new cupboard, chest of drawers to go over there, but like, actually, yeah, I'll have to be quite thin. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? Not wide, but maybe like a tall one. That might be quite cool, like a tall thin one. And then in this little section, I think I already mentioned this in the house tour, but I'm gonna get like a built-in wardrobe. I'm so excited. So I think it will like be built in across there. It's gonna go blurry, isn't it? He's only focusing on my finger. Hello. You get the gist. It's going to be like built across. I have bought quite a lot of new stuff that will be arriving over like the next week or so, and then oh no, there's one thing that's not coming till August. Yeah, apart from that, we've got a lot of new things arriving over the next week or so, so there'll be lots to show you guys. Yeah, that's kind of it for plans. I can't think if there were any other common questions that I had. Now I'm going to wait for my delivery, and I don't know what I'm going to do with myself. I'm literally just going to sit here. Okay, so the delivery has just arrived and I thought that this was the company that built it for you as well, but I'm wrong. Like, I know now that I'm wrong. I was thinking of a different company that I ordered from before, but yeah, so I thought it was going to be built and then I could show it to you, but at the moment I can only really show you inside the box, and I'll see if I could build it myself, but no, I can't. So, and you probably need a drill, and I haven't got a drill, and I wouldn't want to see me using a drill, so I'm not going to be able to show it to you all put together. Okay, so this is our dining table, and I went for obviously a white one, and it's like this really nice white wood. It's sort of like a stained wood. It's just these, oh, noisy bitch. It's just like these nice wooden panels. I just think it will look nice, but this is obviously not a very good representation of it because it's in a box. Wait a minute. Where are your legs? Do you not have any legs? Oh, here's your legs. Oh, that looks like the colour, because this is the underneath bit. So I was thinking, it's not really white, but I think the other side will be proper white. This is just the underneath where they haven't obviously bothered painting it because it's underneath. So these are the legs. and that is like the proper white wood colour. But it's fine, you guys will see it in the next vlog, I'm sure. Between my dad, my brother, Alex's brother, like we've got a whole group of people coming on Saturday, I tell you. I'm sure someone will build that table. I'm trying to like put it to the corner of the room because they sort of left it in the middle of the room. So I'm trying to put it in the corner. Oh, it's moving, we have movement. This is the way to do it. Oh. That'll do. How cute is my little t-shirt? It's very nice, so I thought I'd show you that. I don't even know where it's from actually. Well, let's have a look. Okay, so it's from whatever you can see right now. I can't even see. Okay, so I should probably get back to the other place now because I really need to get packing and just box everything up ready for moving day. So there's no point me staying here. There's absolutely nothing I can do here. There's no internet, there's no nothing. Talking about internet, okay, I'm going to tell you guys a disaster we've had. We have an actual disaster already in the new house. Like, I'm smiling, but I've actually cried over this, like actual tears. We're going to have some stair chats. I feel like, does anyone else just love sitting on the stairs? Like, I actually sit on the stairs more often than you think. Not that you've ever thought about that. I wonder how often Sophie Louise sits on the stairs. Did I just call myself Sophie Louise? I don't know why I just did that. I never ever referred to myself as my YouTube name. When we bought this place, I never really considered to check the internet because I figured as it's quite near to where we were anyway and we have amazing internet at the place we're renting, like I thought, well, we're going to be able to get that again because we're so nearby. Why would it be any different? Like, I never even considered looking at it. We phoned up our internet people and we said, can we move our thing over to our new house? And they were like, you can't get that internet over there. Like, you can't get fibre internet there. In fact, you can't even get any remotely good internet there. You can get the absolute lowest internet that they even do. And I was just like normally fine, but for me the problem is uploading my videos because I don't even know like how I'm supposed to upload videos when the internet that we're going to have here is literally like 1 meg per second. Is that what it is? And what we have at our house now is like 150 or something like that, or maybe even more megs per second. I think I worked out it would probably take me 24 hours to upload a video on that internet. 24 hours. So obviously I like freaked out a bit because this is my job and I've just bought a house that is also my office. It's like my workplace and I can't upload videos easily here, and I'm just like, what have I done? I think I've decided I'm gonna have to get like a thing that allows me to upload videos using 4G. It'll be okay. I'm gonna get this 4G thing because the 4G here is pretty damn good. So hopefully that will work. But yeah, I thought I'd tell you guys the disaster. It was literally a disaster. An absolute D. And yeah, now I am just gonna, I've gone very white. Whoa. I'm now just gonna head back to the other place and crack on with packing. So I am now back. In fact, I have been back for quite some hours, but I've just been getting on with packing away all of my clothes and I'm finally done. But I thought I would show you guys how far I've got with packing up the house. First of all, I could probably start a hanger shop because I've got so many hangers, but how satisfying that I've put them all like in colour coordination. That was really fun to organise them like that. I'm not gonna lie, I really enjoyed that. So those are my hangers, and then we've just got, what have we got? So this is like pyjamas, underwear, stuff like that. This is jackets, because obviously they're quite bulky, they need a box for themselves. Same with jumpers, they need a box for themselves. This is all like jeans and trousers, and then, oh, hang on, oh, there's one under here. I was like, oh, I'm missing one. And then this is just tops. So like long sleeve tops, t-shirts, what's the other kind? Crop tops, all those kinds of things, all bodysuits, anything that you put on anything that you put on the top half is probably in there. So those are my clothing bags. But no, for God's sake, they're not bags, are they? They're cardboard boxes. Mate, what are you saying? I really struggle. These are my boxes, and then these are the bags that I'm going to take to charity. And I've also packed up, well, me and my mum did these the other day, some bits in there. Oh, a little basil. Those are kitchen bits that I've made a start on, and some more kitchen bits that I made a start on. Glasses, very fragile. There's still so much to do, but I've kind of run out of boxes, so I can't actually do anything else now. I've got to wait for Alex to bring some more boxes home from work. Okay, I've just come upstairs quickly because I wanted to show you guys these bits. It's nothing to do with moving, but I opened my PO box yesterday. Yeah, I got like some PO box stuff and I opened it, so I thought I would show you just like a couple of things that I got, and this one I definitely have to show you because it's so cute. So this is the box. It's from Benefit and it's for their new Hello Happy Soft Blur Foundation. You know me, I like packaging more than makeup. So this is the box. It's so cute, like honestly. Oh no, we're done. So cute. Wait, let me show you better. So obviously this is the foundation and it's just in this little pouch here. Oh, I can't get it back in. There we go. Oh my god, satisfying when that goes in. Oh my, watch that. Don't you just wish you were doing that right now? But what excited me was, look, oh, a little bit of something. It says, with our newest launch, we're celebrating happy moments. And then it's got, basically they're like my Instagram photos on a little washing line. I thought that was so cute. So you've got me and Alex, me and Jodes, oh my god, and me on my own, such a loner. But I just thought it was so cute. Like honestly, I love this photo. So thanks Benefit, that made me smile a lot yesterday. I thought that was so cute. And then I also got a few bits from Zoe's new range, which I'm so excited to try. So I got a little note and it says, Sophie, so excited to share my newest beauty collection. Hope you like it. Love, Zoe. And inside we've got the, oh god, well, how am I going to say that? Botanico, you know, one of those, body mist, and oh my goodness, smells like a dream. And then we've got the So Soft lip oil and the Lagoon Love bath milk powder. Thank you Zoe and the Zoella Beauty team. I'm really excited to try those. So yeah, I thought I would just show you guys those bits. But yeah, I don't really know what to do with myself now because I can't do anything. Oh, I know, I'm going to start editing this vlog. I'll probably vlog a bit when Alex gets home because we might do some housey prep bits then. But for now, I'm going to start editing and I'll see you guys in a bit. Oh my god, my under eyes look really like, bleh. It's because it's so hot. I feel like it's all like transferring under my eyes. Or am I just really tired? I look really baggy, don't I? So Alex is now back from work. He's joined us and we've just been to Argos and we got some more boxes, so I can now finish off packing. So I'm about to get ready for bed, so I thought I would end the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it, even though it was probably a bit boring, but I promise the next one will be much more exciting because it's official moving day. Did you know, Alex? This is our second to last sleep in this house.
I hadn't realised.
It's so sad. I actually feel really sad. Haven't I been well sad to leave?
You have been well sad to leave.
I guarantee I'll like cry in the next vlog. I bet I will, because I love this house. Even though it's not my house and I'm just living in someone else's house, I still love it like it's my own. I love it like it's my own child. Oh, thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more moving vlogs, give it a thumbs up to let me know, and I would appreciate that a lot because thumbs make me smile. Good night. See ya.